So this is what I was trying to show in that other video, the one I messed up. Someone's been burning aluminum cans out here, which is how I knew someone had been out here. They left their empties. So I got a nice fire pokey stick. So I'm basically going to be using their fire pit today. I've already got a nice fire lay. The foundation for my fire. I'm not going to do a big fire. I'm just going to do basically just big enough to cook my lunch. And then, yeah, just go from there. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm looking at some natural tinder. It's just a question of, can I reach it? Score. Okay, so one thing I wanted to point out is as I get started is I did have my fire kit with me. So lighter, I've got a zip fire starter, you know, all the stuff you've seen before. There's another lighter in here I just didn't put in a little baggie, and then the ferro rod, which I'm going to use to light my fire. And I went and got natural tinder because I still have this stuff. You know, I'm going to make my fire with what I found, but now I still have this which I can rely on. So that zip fire starter, I know I can get a fire going with it, so that's not a problem there. I also have a bag of tinder with me, Hidden Woodsman tinder bag. I really hope no one makes a drinking game out of me saying Hidden Woodsman, but in here I've got birch bark, I've got down at the bottom I've got, you know what? I got some bark down there, I got a little cattail down there. What's that, a little cattail? That's a natural tinder. Here we got some cattail. I'll throw a little bit of that in there. Some flash, little flash tinder. Might be fun to use. And I still have a big clump of it that's feathering everywhere. And like I said, birch bark. So I have multiple ways of making fire. Almost guaranteed fire with that zip fire starter. And in my possibles pouch, I actually keep a little redundant. It's a little buck of matches and a bunch of cotton balls. And these are pretty much always in my possibles pouch. And I got some MRE toilet paper I could use as tinder as well. So I've got lots of fire making redundancy. So, you know, this, I just keep everything together. I just threw it in my bag, ready to go. Okay, so real quick, the bark that I picked up off the ground was a Lombardy poplar. And I know that because this is a tree right here. Even though I walked right past it, I didn't pick up on it. But that's what that branch was from. I've actually burned that tinder before and it worked pretty well. Alright. Never hurts to practice, man. It's always a good thing. This stuff really doesn't need a lot of processing because it's already kind of fine. Take the leaves out of here. And this stuff's pretty much falling apart. It shouldn't require a lot of work. In fact, it's pretty much good to go as it is. Put this down. Are you seeing that okay? I'll put this. I should go old man's beard down first. I'm going to put this cattail right there, kind of lean the whole thing. So hopefully the cattail will ignite the old man's beard, and then when that flares up, it'll catch this bark. And then I've got a bunch of twigs right here, which I went and broke off. So let's see how she works. Cattail, of course, for those who don't know, is a flash tinder. Maybe I should move the camera. Alright, fingers crossed. Let's see how she does. One thing about flash tinder, it flashes up and then it goes out quick. Come on, buddy. Oh, oh. Come on, Wind. Help me out, Wind. Oh, there we go. Sometimes that breeze can really help you out. Gave just that little bit of wind I needed to. Okay. Oh, now sometimes the wind can mess you up by blowing out your fire. And she ain't dead yet. Come on, fire, you know you want to blow smoke in my face. It's still going. Tinder on the bottom really isn't taking off. Come on, buddy. Oh, it's got some good flamage now. Go ahead and put my flint steel away, or ferro rod away, because I no longer need it. always try to put stuff back in this bag so I don't lose it. Of course, it helps that it has this bright yellow handle from firesteel.com. There we go. I'm just picking up around camp. Oh, I got a little bit of lichen on that one, so that'll help get things going. Sweet. Got these bigger sticks on there. Get these guys going. What am I at? 4 minutes? That's not bad. This thing's kind of leaning. There's a little bit of green moss mixed in there, but I'm hoping the heat will overcome it.